much, but this year every mall, like Icon Siam, the Mall Group, Central Group.
Okay, many Indian tourists also coming, that's why.
My this more good. Look,
Alright.
this.
Yeah.
And my this. I also have this.
Bro, welcome bro.
I am in Delhi Hut.
Yeah. Oh, you want to try?
This one. Chai lo. You want to try, man?
Oh, it's a chai.
Chai. Wait.
Chai.
Chai. What is it? What is it?
Which one? Oh, it's a samosa. Okay, what you want to try?
Let's what you want to try? That's same like you buy from near your home.
Ah, it's a samosa. One is kachori, and pav bhaji. This one is golgappe. This one is golgappe.
Pani puri. Same like we are eating. Delhi street food by Delhi.
They have.
Oh yeah. Oh, so many people come here.
Yep. Okay, what you want to try?
You tell me what I want. What is it? Onion something.
It's an onion bhaji, like onion pakode.
Ah, you want to try?
Golgappe, you want to try? They have.
That was an amazing performance and sorry for a bit of delay. But up next we have
They have
Pragati Kandi Ben.
momo.
Let's give her a huge round of applause.
We have
guys.
momo in home.
Alaya.
It's a sabji kachori. It's a pav bhaji. It's a cheeseburger.
That's like Western influence for.
This with cheese.
Ginny dosa. It look like a Mumbai style Ginny dosa.
Okay. You want to try this one? That thing? That thing you never try, na? You never eat.
Yeah. What they add?
Oh, what is this?
Pani puri.
No, not this one.
Bel puri.
Bhel puri.
Okay, boss, one bel puri.
ก็ขยายด้วยนะครับประเทศไทยก็ประเทศความเป็น
Not from not India. ใช่ป่ะอุตราขันธ์
Uttarakhand. Actually, I'm born and brought up in Delhi, but my roots are from Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. Where? From where? Where is it?
Podi.
Podi se, मैं टीरी से.
अच्छा टेरी से हो?
मेरा इसको.
ओके.
यहाँ पे क्या घूमने जा रहे हैं या फिर?
मैं अभी तो इंडिया में हूँ.
थाई पानी पूरी. मिठाई. वो तो इसको थाई आता है.
ท่านกดคำ
तीन खट्टे 4 पाँच. नाव से बन एक बेल पूरी बनाइएगा. ये मोस्टली पॉपुलर है बॉलीवुड में। इसके नाम है इंदौर में, मुंबई में, गोवा में, लंदन में।
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big hand to our VIP guests. Thank you so much. ขอบคุณมากครับแล้วก็หวังว่าทุกคนที่มาร่วมงานดิวาลีกับเราแล้วก็มีความสุขกับเราตลอดขอบคุณมาก
ट्राई करो
How much?
आ जाओ वापस।
So our community is growing,
100.
and when the community grows, what we want is just the help of you all to support the community. One of our youth is participating in
डब्बे में
Miss
You never tried this one, right?
International. And she has actually, there's going to be a contest, Miss Wellness, and she was here yesterday. Today she's gone to, she's gone and she's entered the participation. So what, please everyone take
That's
up your
good.
handphones. Because I know you go home, you won't do it. This is a request from my side. I want to support our young, our youth. They are our future. हम तो बूढ़े हो गए हैं, पता नहीं रहेंगे नहीं रहेंगे, आज हैं
It's
तो
good.
आपके सामने बेनती कर रहे हैं कि हमारे यूथ को आप सपोर्ट कीजिए. Our youth is taking new adventures and we and follow this
It's good, right?
account DIKA5. Okay, she is going to represent our community in Miss Wellness International. Thank you very much. I won't take more of your time. I know you all are waiting for Jaipuri Brothers. It's getting a little hot, but we prayed that it wouldn't rain, but we didn't know it would be this hot. So we have more performance. Thank you very much. Khop khun kap.
ขอบคุณครับ
They have stalls there also. Yeah. Which one you want? Mango, rose, Rajbhog, chocolate. Which one you want to eat?
Which one do you want?
No, I will go with mango.
Okay, we can eat together.
One mango.
You want to try or?
No.
Meal.
Oh, you first you try, no? You never try.
You try it.
We have Ashley from Southern India. Thank you very much.
I'll try next time.
เซนมีดีเดียไหมเซน
Look,
นะ